What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today we are making some Sorrel Apple Cider. Yes, I said it's Sorrel Apple Cider. You can say you hear it here first because this is my own creation. This is a great way to use up those extra apples that you have sitting around and they get spongy and you're getting ready to throw them away. Don't throw them away. Use them up because 'tis the season. I started with a pot on the stove with some water. This is a 2-quart pot, 2.3 quart to be exact. And I added some pink Himalayan salt. And I chopped up my apples and I added them to the pot. No need to wait for the pot to boil. Just chop them up, add them to the pot with the salt and the water. After that, I added 2 tablespoons of sorrel powder. Then from there, I just added a piece of cinnamon stick, and because I didn't have enough cinnamon stick, I added about 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. However, if you have enough cinnamon stick, no need to add the cinnamon powder, but you need a lot of cinnamon stick, and you can still add a stick on your powder because oh my god, this was so spicy and good. Then I added some pimento seeds, a star anise. That's the one that I have. I add, if you have more than one you can add, but the one was perfect. I also added a whole nutmeg mace. That's the part that covered the nutmeg shell. Then I added a whole nutmeg cut in two. And because I'm ahead of the video, it's a great time to let you know that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. I don't remember if I said I added pimento seeds, but I added about 8 pimento seeds. From there, all I did was stir my pot up to incorporate everything, put the cover on, and let that boil for about 35 minutes. 35 minutes later, I used my potato masher to mash the apples just to get all the flavors out. And you don't have to mash them real fine, just mash them like you see me doing. And then I just turned the stove off, covered it down, and let it sit until it cooled for about 2 hours. Now, keep in mind, apple cider is served cold or hot. A lot of people love it hot. So if you like it hot, you don't have to let it cool. You can just sweeten it right away and get to drinking. But because I love it cold over ice, I allowed it to cool for about 2 to 3 hours. I think that's a great time to just let everything come together. And remember, you can still let it cool and heat it up to drink. So even though you're drinking it hot, you could let it cool because I feel like when it sits a little, everything just come together so perfectly. After it was cool, I just strained it out. I strained it 3 times. One time in a bigger strainer, then the second time in a medium strainer, and the third time after I sweetened it, I used a fine strainer. There you see me filming my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at DUp6 if you're not already following me. But on TikTok, it's not as detailed as it is here. So it's nice to be following me here on YouTube. Now, after you strain it out, go ahead and sweeten it to your desired liking. A lot of people drink it without sweetening it. I never had it that way because I love sugar. But you can use honey. You can use your substitute sweetener, any sweetener you want. I just used regular brown sugar. And it's that easy. All I did after this was pour it in a glass, pour some over ice, and oh my god, I kept drinking. I think I drank most of this. I drank most of this. I did drink it all. I did send some for my mom. I shared with my friend, but this was so good. I'll definitely make this again. Because in my Jamaican culture, this is the season for sorrel. Down in the Christmas time is sorrel time. And I'm just finding a way to use sorrel because usually people don't use it extensively like they should. It's just a sorrel drink and they're done. But this sorrel apple cider was bussin'. So I hope you guys will give this a try. It's very easy. Again, I hope you guys are doing great as this festive season come alive. I hope you guys are staying safe and you're just being your best self. I love you guys. Thanks for all the love and support throughout the year. Or I should say throughout the years because some of you have been here for a while and I appreciate you guys to the max. Stay tuned and don't forget to turn your notification bells on for the content that I'm dropping because I want to give you some side dish and just some things to switch up your Christmas food. We don't want to eat the same thing every year. This sorrel apple cider right here is great as a Christmas drink. You know, after you eat on Christmas, you usually drink some coffee and then you stay up all night. Well, if you don't want to do that, just keep some sorrel apple cider, warm it up, and just serve to your guests, serve to your family. They'll love it. Especially if they love apple cider, because it still tastes like apple cider, but it's a kind of drink that let you ask, what is in this? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. I love you. Mwah.